Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at CEDEX.io CEXY qualification code. The code is live. Go and do this right away if you want to qualify for this airdrop. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. So the code is 75326. It is working. If you go to the comment section, you can see people are getting it. So go right now and get it. Maybe today's slot is extra large, so many people had gotten theirs. You can see they said finally get the code. Thanks for listening, finally, thank you. That shows that people are getting. It's not like, oh, it's depleted. Go and do this right away. And if you try it and you did not get it, go and try the other codes, the old codes. Go and try them, because once they release this code today, they are going to add extra slots to the old ones. So go and try the old codes. I'm going to attach all the old codes in the video description as well. So if you try this new code and it didn't work, go and get the old codes and try. You might be lucky and you get it correctly. So people are saying finally done. Thank God. So seems so many people got today. Finally done, thanks. Finally got the code. People are happy. Yes, I got it. Thank God I meet up in time. Someone said, it's only one person that has said, I pray I will get one day before it's too late. I got it. How many codes? Okay, finally. So by me looking at it up, many people got the code today. We should have about 500 people for one code. Finally, that shows that the code is working. Go and be among these lucky ones. Go and do this right away and type your own finally got it. So go and do this right away. And if you find value in this video, please do well to like, share, subscribe, and join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel for high value content. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.